Assalamualaikum. We are welcome to you in Sawar, Pakistan. Today we make a short video about Mirani Dam. Mirani Dam is constructed on the river Dasht, 40 kilometers west of Turbat. Turbat is a headquarters of a Kech District. Kech District is situated in the largest province of Pakistan's Balochestan. Mirani Dam, its height is 127 feet, its length is almost 3000 feet. There are two canals are built up on this dam. One is a right bank canal, other is a left bank canal. Right bank canal's length is almost 14 miles. Left bank canal's length is 11 miles. Mirani Dam is constructed with the help of a Nespark consulting firm. Other companies are involved in this dam is Azhar Consulting, Sawar & Co, Descon. Now please see a few drone footage of a Mirani Dam.
Hey there! Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so you can get latest video notifications. And this is absolutely free.